In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QuickBooks product or service directly from Monday.com using our pre-built recipe. There are two ways to do this with our app. From the QuickBooks board view, where you can click Create Product/Service and fill out the form, or by setting up our recipe and using the Draft Products and Services table. Let's start by setting up the automation. Go to the Integrate tab at the top of your board. Search for QuickBooks for Monday.com. Look for the recipe that says, when status changes to something, create product and service in QuickBooks. Click Use Template. Now we'll configure it. When the sync status changes to click to generate, we want to create a product or service. Now click on Product/Service. You'll now see a mapping screen. On the left, choose your Monday.com columns. On the right, match them with the correct QuickBooks fields like name, type, SKU, unit price, and more. Once mapping is complete, hit Done, then click Create Automation. Now let's add a product or service to test. In the Draft Products and Services table, I'm going to create a new item called Website Update. Here's how I'll fill it out. Name, Website Update, SKU, optional but good to include. Type, I'll choose Service. This matches the QuickBooks item type field. Description, optional. I'll leave it empty for now. Unit price, optional. I'll enter 300. Quantity on hand, not needed for services, so I'll leave it blank. Purchase cost, also optional. Blank for now. Income account, I'll choose services from the dropdown. This must match a valid QuickBooks income account. Taxable, yes. Expense account, only needed for certain item types, so I'll leave that empty. Now go to the sync column and change the status to click to generate. Once you see a tick, that means the product or service was successfully created in QuickBooks. And just like that, you'll see the item appear in your Products and Services table. When the item is synced successfully, feel free to archive or delete the row from the draft table. Now let me show you what happens if we try to create a product or service, but it fails to create in QuickBooks. I'll do this by trying to create the same item again. You'll see the sync status will turn to Error See Updates. Click into the item and check the Updates section. You'll see a message explaining what went wrong, such as duplicate name already exists. Once you've fixed the issue, you can re-trigger the creation by selecting Click to Generate again in the Sync Status column. And that's it. Now you can easily create products and services in QuickBooks right from Monday.com. No need to jump between tools. If you run into any issues, check the Updates tab or reach out to our team. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching.